Wait! In the name of God, wait for me!
Morning, Mookie.
It's Friday.
It is indeed.
Got me a date tonight with a spunky chick.
Spunky, eh? Where are you taking her? Dinner?
Nope.
Movie?
No.
Dancing?
Ice skating.
Mookie, it's summer. There's no ice to skate on.
I'll have her all alone.
I hate to ask. Why?
I'm going to grab her hand for matrimonial bliss.
Hold on. Is this the woman that answered your ad on Craigslist last month?
Nah, she was approved.
Here we go.
She refused to play the game my mother played with me when I was little.
What was the game?
Smell my fingers and guess where they've been.
No, your mom played this with you?
They always smelled like peanut butter, or banana pudding, or tomato juice.
You had me worried there.
We have to do something about illegal immigrants, and we have to start by building a wall, a big, beautiful, powerful wall.
Mother showed me her thing once.
I'm worried again.
There was a mole on her back. She called it her thing.
Goofy Elizabeth Warren. Crooked Hillary. I think that Hillary should run with goofy, crooked Hillary Clinton. We can't let it happen.
I miss my mother.
Oh?
Some people came by one day and sent me into another room with a balloon and a glass of milk.
Then what happened?
I threw up because the milk was spoiled.
Oh my. Well, what happened when you came out of the room?
Mother was gone. Went off on holiday, they told me.
How sad.
I still have the shoebox of her photographs.
At least there's that.
I don't have a photo of her thing, though.
Segue. So where did you meet your hope-to-be bride?
Placed a new ad on Craigslist.
What did your ad say this time?
Wealthy brain surgeon and real estate tycoon looking for spunky eye candy.
She hasn't met you yet, has she?
Nope. I'm enacting the element of surprise.
No doubt she'll be astounded.
Keep tomorrow night open for my bachelor party.
I'll link you in.
Yeah.